Yeah, it's coming so close to you guys.
Oh my god.
Trust lean. Oh, there's the sharks down there. You ready?
Yeah.
I love you, Manila.
I love you, Daddy.
Oh, wait, come back. Okay.
One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say, when you get older, you'll watch.
Strike check.
Good morning from the Maldives. First of all, this week was a huge surprise for our little boy, Manila.
It's the biggest, bestest surprise. You guys are gonna love it because you guys have been such good kids.
Better than Christmas?
All right.
Better than Christmas?
That'd be good. Okay.
All right. Whose birthday is coming up next?
Stripe Manila's.
Okay, guys, tonight we're not going to Seychelles.
What?
We're going to
Why?
the Maldives. Manila, we're going to your favorite country.
Let's celebrate your birthday.
You so excited?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
I'm gonna freak out when we get there.
Yeah, why?
Because I don't know.
Oh, yeah, the spaceship car. Yeah, I remember it too.
So when you arrive to the Maldives, everyone kind of arrives to the main island, Malé. And then everyone jumps on boats or planes, little hopper seaplanes, to go to their respective resorts. When we're planning our travels, we try to go to new places, new countries, see new things. There are 3 places, do you know them, that we have revisited 3 times.
Ooh, okay. Tonga for the whales,
Yep.
Tanzania for the wildlife, and now the Maldives because
Whoa.
Oh my.
it's so big. That is the biggest one. Under the table. It just keeps going.
You also have a television,
Oh, that's a TV.
Netflix.
Fun new tradition because we've been coming back here. Now, the first thing when we do, it's quite the journey to get here.
It is a
right?
journey
So
to
by
get
the time you get here, you're feeling pretty muggy and gross from the long travel day or days.
Yeah.
So we have this tradition. First thing we do when we arrive to our villa is we jump into the pool with our clothes on.
That's what we about, living by the sea, sipping on some rum, under the shade of a tree. That's what we about, just feel the warm breeze, living young and wild and free. That's what we about, living by the sea, sipping on some rum, under the shade of a tree. That's what we about, just feel the warm breeze, living young and wild and free. on an island where no one can find me. The sun, ocean, and the party just begun.
Okay, wait for me, wait for me. Go, go.
Dad, you go first.
Living by the sea.
Still in our clothes?
Yeah.
All right, I'll go first. Let's do this. Ready?
Yeah.
Say bye, Dad.
That's
Bye, Dad.
Guys, that was awesome. Okay, okay. This is just for my own personal journal. My very favorite memories. Don't know. Well, I know we won't put any of the actual footage in the video, but yeah. We went down the water slide for our first time, still in our clothes.
And we went down
slow.
so slow. It drags.
And the kids were like, "Oh, why is this so slow?" And I was like, "Guys, you want to know how you go fast? Let's get naked." So skinny dip style, naked, just making memories in the Maldives together as a family. We went so fast. It was so funny. So I went first. And you're like just flying like a rocket out of this water slide. And I turn around being like, I don't know if that's safe for the kids. I turn around just to see my naked kids just, just flying off of this water slide. Such a fun memory that the world will never see. But guess what? I'll never forget.
Well, now everybody's picturing it. Okay.
Happy birthday, dear Manila. Louis. Happy birthday to you.
Blow hard!
Happy birthday, dear Manila. Happy birthday.
All right, let's go surprise him.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish, buddy. Yay!
Like an awesome.
It's spinning. Yeah!
One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say, when you get older, your white life will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights they'll never die. My father told me